As a man-child, I want to make a flying RC car so I can play Rocket League in real life. Yesterday, I put an indoor drone on an RC car and actually got it to fly. Now I want to fly it off a building, but I have a problem. I took it apart last night to remove extra weight, which made it faster. But this morning, I realized I had no way to attach the drone. I spent so long trying, I took a break to watch my dog freak out over some bubbles. But eventually I got it mounted.
It's better be worth it.
Then found a decent building.
That'll do, donkey.
After some safety checks, it was go time.
Power, oh no. No, there's no RC signal. Let's just go with the drone. So we're going, oh, fully off the edge. Let's see if we can bring it into land. Super dodgy. I feel this is gonna be hard. Oh gosh. Now I need to find someone to help me make a custom car.